Another great capability within Materialise Magics is the hollowing feature. This will allow us to go ahead and hollow STL files, which can be very useful, especially when printing PolyJet parts to reduce on model material consumption. So I'm going to go ahead and import this core component. I'm just going to leave it in its original orientation. And I'm going to perform a basic hollow operation by selecting my part, going up to our hollow part command, and actually setting a wall thickness. In this case, I'm going to make it 1/10 of an inch, a feature size to maintain. And this is going to hollow the entire part. So with this operation complete, I can see that if I do a cross section of my part, I now have a hollowed interior that will allow for faster printing and support removal, depending upon the specific technology we're working with.